It's too hot outside. I gonna blow up.
You could wear a shorts as mine. You will feel cool.
But I don't have. Maybe I could search off shorts online.
Let me see. You don't have to buy it online.
Do you have any advice?
If you buy it online, you need to wait a few days.
We could make a shorts by ourselves, but I don't know how to do. A few days ago, we have bought a sewing machine. Do you want to make my jeans into shorts?
Yes.
This is the sewing machine we have. It looks so special. Let's take it out together. Wow, it looks so amazing.
How long do you want?
Please cut my jeans above my knees.
Later.
Wow, it is so fit.
This shorts suit you so well.
I like it very much, thank you. Could you lend me the sewing machine? I want to remodel the old clothes at home.
Of course.
Thank you, I'll take it home.